How do you simplify square root 147? Well, let's go ahead and get started. I like to create a factor tree first to get all the prime numbers. So let's get started with that. We have 147, which can go 3 times 49 and circle the 3 because it is prime. Yes, that is a 49. And then 7 times 7 is 49. And they're both prime, so we're down to prime numbers. I'm now going to write the prime numbers under the square root sign. So we have 3, 7, and 7. And I know since it is a square root, I can pull out pairs of numbers. So that gives me 7 square root 3 because the 3 is still underneath the square root sign. Now, if I want to estimate the decimal, I have 147. And I know it's between 144, which is square root of 12, and then also 169, which is square root of 13. It's really close to 144, so I would guess 12.1. And if you put it in the calculator, it's going to be really close to that. So anyway, that's an easy way to estimate. I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. And remember, kindness multiplies kindness. Be kind to someone today.